speaker. Got a lot more eBay packages. Unbox them now, get the shipping labels off. So let's move on. First, I'm gonna box this. A wood particle board. I'm not gonna box it much more, but it looks like it came in good condition. I'm using this for the Bogen SM4T speaker. Now for the next package. This is big. Mails. Looks like the speaker came in good condition. Scrutinize it more. Before return it if it's in bad condition. Rip the cardboard apart here. Oh, it's nice. Look at that. My first fire alarm speaker. Cone does not appear damaged in any way. It came in good condition. That's good news. Like $35 for that is a steal. $35, it's definitely worth the price. Gotta be careful though. Oops. The eBay seller said this package was damaged, but the speaker appears to be okay, so hopefully it came in good condition. Comes with the wire. Wow, the speaker comes with a cloth surround. It's not foam. So it'll last a very long time. Well, forever. This cloth lasts indefinitely. You can clearly see the cloth surround. Look at that. Very nice. If it was foam, it wouldn't be as much worth it. Would be well worth it. Because these tend to age, the phone surrounds. But the newer phone surrounds last a very long time. Probably even for like 60 years. It's a very nice speaker. These are used in Targets. Very nice speaker. I like it. I'm glad I paid $64, close to $70 for this. So it came in good condition. Everything came in good condition. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.